rooster sneeze before. He just did that like 5 times in a row. Barely got that last one on camera. I think he's done.